All right, we've got a 2026 Volkswagen Golf R in today. So in this video, we're gonna be doing paint protection film to protect the front end from rock chips and scratches. And we're gonna be doing a ceramic coating on the entire vehicle so that it stays clean. Let me show you what this project is gonna look like today. So before we even touch the vehicle, we gotta do a full paint prep. So we gotta make sure the paint is absolutely clean and free of any type of contaminants that are stuck, because we want the paint protection film and the ceramic coating to bond directly to the paint, not to anything else. So now the vehicle's been washed, prepped, clayed, chemical and physical decon, right? Now let's take a look at this naked paint to see the condition of the vehicle so that we know what we're gonna be doing to restore this finish before we seal it in. Starting up front, you can see this pretty good chemical staining here on the front bumper. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna go ahead and polish all that out. Keep in mind, this is a 2025. It already has some kind of weird staining. So ceramic coatings, when I say that they're chemical resistant, this is specifically what I'm talking about. It prevents this type of staining. So on top of the swirl marks over the vehicle, there are a lot of embedded hard water spots on the top. So if you look kind of around here, you can see some of these hard water spots in the paint. We're gonna be polishing all of this out as well. And keep in mind, this is what it looks like after a clay bar and a chemical decontamination. These stains are stuck in there. Looking at the condition of the paint, you can see it is pretty weathered. It's covered in swirl marks and scratches. I mean, look, there's a big one up there. But as I kind of wave my light around, you can see all those swirl marks and defects in the paint. This is all going to get polished out before that we lay our paint protection film or ceramic coating. So paint protection film, what is it and why do you need it? This material here is a clear vinyl that goes over the front end of your car, and it's physically strong enough to stop things like scratches, rock chips, door dings, and even some scuffs, right? So this material makes a whole bunch of sense to put on the front end of this brand new Golf R.
So guys, today we're going to be plotting out the Golf R. So specifically how we do it, you can see it has a little cutout for that mud flap thingy we pulled out of the fender. So we pulled it off so we can get the film all tucked underneath. You can see the original cutout here, and that's our edits right here. So it allows us to tuck all of our film so nothing lifts, and we can put the plastic back on, and it'll help secure that film even further, giving your PPF much better durability.
Okay, the ceramic coating of choice that we're going to be coating the Golf R is C6 Hydro. This is not Hydro Light, this is Hydro. This is the pro grade stuff, right? Hydro Light is a very interesting coating. This is not a traditional ceramic coating at all. So even though this is our bronze package, our quote unquote entry level coating, we still install a fantastic coating. So what's really silly is that C6 quotes lifetime durability. Is that true? No. So that's why I sell it as I do, right? So I rate this coating at about 2 years. It easily pushes past 2 years with proper care. This stuff is the bomb. So if you go on YouTube, you'll find that even Hydro C6 Light easily pushes through abuse. This stuff here, the pro grade, is the bomb. And that's why we are always curating our ceramic coatings. So the paint protection film, the wheels, and the glass all gonna get coated in a C6 Hydro today. And I'm gonna show you what that looks like. And that, my friends, is full front end paint protection film and the whole thing ceramic coated. This is the absolute most value and popular package for brand new cars because it covers everything you need and nothing you don't. Let me show you the end results because it looks fantastic. We are looking at the inner fender. So the film is actually tucked all the way right here. Very uniform, nice and neat. This is what I like to see. So when I'm doing quality control, giving the final okay for these cars to leave my shop, this is what I'm looking for right here, tucked film, just like that. The film's also tucked all right here too. So this lip, you'll actually notice there's like a little divot right here. It's very important for us to bake all the film so that this stays tucked like that, because if you don't, this is all gonna lift. So as I QC all of this, I can tell that it's been baked, it looks really good, this is gonna last. Because we've hand cut the reflector and this little signal here, or this sensor, it is very, very clean, very precise. So when I'm quality controlling, I look for how clean this cut was, which in this case, it looks pretty much invisible. That's what I like to see. As well as this edge here, this alignment, because this is a kit, remember, so all of this right here has to be aligned really good, which in this install, it is. You guys, look at the beautiful gloss that the ceramic coating is providing. So the ceramic coating is designed for chemical resistance so that things don't stick, but most importantly, things don't stain. Now, black paint is very prone to things like bug guts, bird poop, water spots, and tree sap. And the ceramic coating that we're applying today is extremely non-stick and chemical resistant so that it protects this beautiful black finish. And the cherry on top is that it is quite sexy looking. It looks like a permanent wax, right? So if you love that clean car look, the coatings will give you that and keep the finish sexy looking and stain free. And that, you guys, concludes our project. Full front end paint protection film, whole thing protected in our bronze ceramic coating, paint, glass, and wheel faces. And this is a complete package, the best way to protect your car without overspending on things that are not necessary, but definitely not underspending on crappy material and a crappy install. So if you've got a very cool car like this Golf R and you want to protect it the right way, this package is what I personally put on most of my cars. I mean, my 911, I did full body clear bra, but on my wife's car and most other cars that I own, this is the package to get. These services generally will take about 3 days, give or take, but you can see how much work went into it. And so if you want to get this type of stuff done, we operate right here in Plano. It's Jesse at a Humble Car Auto Spa, and I'll catch you next time.